Ambot.
Sticky sweet. I mean, it's the trick or treat tower. You're right. There it is. And look,
Look
there's the
it.
magic Halloween moon right above it. That's right, Goofy. It's a quarter right now. Party before the moon is full. Or the gates of the tower will lock.
Umiiyak po ba yung iba?
The trick or treat tower is all the way past the candy corn patch and the woods.
Malikot ba si Bradley?
Gosh, that's really far away. We better hurry. Let's go. Come on, everybody. We gotta get to Trick or Treat Tower before the moon is full, or the gate will lock. Will you help us get to Trick or Treat Tower? All right. Let's go get our mouse tools from the mouse doer. Mousker hey, Mousker high, Mousker home. Mousker ready, Mousker set, here we go. You're a thinking and a solving.
Look it!
Mousker me, Mousker you, Mousker doer. Mousker me, Mousker you, Mousker doer. Miska, Muska, Muska doer. Muska tools, Muska tools, Muska tools. A jack-o'-lantern. A garbage can lid. A carrot. And the mystery mousket tool.
Sabi niyang weird ng pakiramdam niya.
Help us later.
Going na.
Hey there! Tools is gonna bring us our mousket tools when we need them. All right, we got our mousket tools.
Wait, Goofy's not ready yet. He's missing something from his costume.
Well, I thought I remembered.
Ang galaw niya ito eh.
Well, let's see. He's got a hat and shiny armor. What else the knights have?
Ang taas ng hairline.
Knights have shields to protect themselves. Where are we gonna find a shield? Hey, let's see if one of our mousket tools can help us. Everybody say, "Oh, toodles! Oh, toodles!"
Okay.
A jack-o'-lantern.
Yay!
A carrot or the mystery mousket tool. Let's see. Can Goofy use the carrot as a shield?
Look
Oh,
it!
no, that's silly. Can he use the garbage can lid as a shield? He sure can. We got ears. Say cheers. All right. Goofy's got a shield. Now we're all ready to go to Pete's Halloween party.
We're going to Pete's party. Let's have some fun. Trick or treat tower. Here we come.
Giant candy corn? Wow.
How are we going to get to the other side? Well, we can't walk around the candy corn.
Baby, kamukha mo na si Baby James.
Looks like we're gonna have to go over them.
Look,
Ay, naku.
Donald has a rope.